Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of transferring data from your old Android phone to another Android device. Firstly, on both your old and new devices, open the Play Store. Search for and download the Samsung Smart Switch mobile app. While I'm demonstrating with a Samsung device, keep in mind that this app is compatible with all brands. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use your smartphone brand's official app for the transfer. For instance, OnePlus users can opt for the Clone Phone app, Vivo users can use Easy Share, and Oppo users can choose Oppo Clone Phone. However, all these apps function similarly for data transfer. Moving on to the new device, open the Smart Switch app and select Receive Data. Depending on the device you're transferring from, choose the appropriate option: Apple for iPhones, Samsung, or other Android devices. Opt for the cable method, though wireless transfer via Wi-Fi is also possible. In this video, I'll demonstrate using the cable option. If prompted on the old Samsung device, open the Smart Switch app. On the left is the old device, and on the right is the new device. If the prompt doesn't appear, manually open the Smart Switch app. Now, tap Send Data, and the devices will connect. Here, you can observe that we have access to all the files, absolutely everything. Alternatively, if you prefer to exclusively copy calls and contacts, simply select this option. You also have the flexibility to manually choose specific items by clicking on Custom. In this menu, you can review and select from a range of items, including documents, audio files, videos, images, home screen settings, Samsung smartwatch apps, messages, calls, contacts, and even your Google account. Once your choices are made, click the Transfer button. The transfer process begins, and both devices may lock their screens, which is normal. Optionally, you can keep the screens on during the process. Once the transfer is complete, you're all set. Everything has been successfully transferred. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.